Day 2, guys. Today we're at the National Art Museum looking at my art. So yesterday in my sleep, I painted all this shit. Nah, just playing. But we're about to head to Silker Park, iconic place in Austin. Get some trades in. I think we have some 10 a.m. news today. So that's my favorite. Yesterday, 9:45. Sucks, right? You can't even trade like that. Today should be good. We're gonna trade. We're gonna make bigger profits because everything is bigger in Texas. Yesterday with the 10-pound rib, we proved that. And then during the stream today, I'm giving away 5 accounts. And then whatever we end up doing after, bro, honestly, I'll probably give up another 5. But again, during the stream that I'm gonna show here on the video, I want you guys to see exactly just how the Bookmap works, because I'm gonna be giving away 5 trimester memberships to Bookmap as well. So a lot of giveaways today. Stay tuned for that. Let's see when the Uber gets here, and let's get to trading. Bro, day 2 of ChatGPT. So today we're gonna be asking the car for trading signals because I can't trade. So maybe he can give me some good trading tips. I don't know, I hope we don't hit stop loss on the way there. That would be atrocious. So let me unlock the car. Profitable traders only. It's not letting me unlock it, bro. There we go. Profitable traders only. We live in a simulation, bro. Like, does your social credit score go up if you hit somebody in this car? You know, like in China, whenever you do something good, you get like, ding, plus 1 million social score. Like, does that happen here? Or did Biden just not implement that when he was president? All right, so we just got to Silker Park. We got delivered over here by fucking Baymax. But yeah, I mean, I think the view looks dope, bro. What do you think? Are Austin buildings trim? It was TJR right? I just hope no dog comes and attacks us in the middle of the trading sesh, bro. Look at all these dogs around here. Let's set up for trading. We're about to begin the first challenge. So apparently we were gonna set up in the bench and we just got kicked out of the bench because they're gonna spray chemicals. You see, guys, this is once again the Democrats trying to control the population using these forever chemicals to get you to vote for Kamala. By the way, guys, we got the Evian water. It's not Saratoga, like Ashton Hall, so I'm not fully prepped today, right? I just need to put this in a bowl, dip my face in it, boost my profitability. Dude, if you do that, your muscles grow. Like, verifiable fact. Ask Ashton Hall about how Saratoga affects his morning routine. Dude, Saratoga, marketing idiots. They had the most exposure in the world. They did not do a single ad about it. Jason Applebaum was talking about it. But if your brand is all over the place, bro, you want to be running ads on that shit. Oh, it did put the buy in. Bro, so TradingView never actually executed it. Okay, well, that's good to know. Okay, we'll manage it kind of here and just switch around. Okay, let's see. Well, first let me put a stop on here. I need a 1 sell stop, not a 2 sell stop. No, not 21, bro. So why isn't TradingView registering it? That's weird. Again, if it doesn't hold around here, doesn't stop holding, I'm gonna close this trade out, guys. I'm not liking how it's bouncing lower. I'm thinking this sell's probably gonna play out from here, just because it's not really pushing higher from this area. So if we can break below here, I'm selling. Okay, TradingView is not doing me right now. That's why I don't trade on here. So again, I'm gonna wait for price to get out of this area, right? If we head higher, I'll take the trade again once we start trading above 429 for 30s maybe. But until then, I'm not really interested. Let's see how it bounces here. TradingView scared me, guys. Not gonna lie. Again, we're still trading within this range. What is this range, bro? It is 934. Why haven't you moved since the freaking open? Yeah, now I'm looking for the short. Taking a 2 contract short, guys. Stop is going to be above this range. Might have been a bit premeditative, but I'm not too bothered by that. Right, again, stop at the high of the range. And then really I'm just targeting, once we break under this level, I'm probably going to be targeting what, like 350? Probably lower. So yeah, that's that. Let's see how this goes. Okay, bounced on the first liquidity level, right, but we didn't take it out. So let's see if we can get some follow through. If we stay within this range within the next 3 to 4 minutes, I'm getting out of this trade too. Okay, there we go. Finally, some sellers coming in here. Nice. Okay, once we can get under these levels, right, there's no volume, so it should be a quick run lower. Again, 350 piques my interest. Maybe even 300 all the way down there. But again, I'm not seeing too much movement right now to the downside, so I'm not going to overextend anything just yet. But again, we're up how much right now? We're up 300 bucks, 400 bucks right now, so that's not bad. It's not generational wealth, but it's not bad. Okay, there we're up a 600 bucks. Nice per account, by the way. And I don't want price to drag. I would like to see the sellers come down a bit as price goes lower. Right, and then start tagging these orders that are coming in. Bro, usually we'd get an aggressive drop from here. I'm surprised we're not seeing it, you know, just shred down. But again, we got these orders at 2,400, so I'm not surprised the price does go up there. Okay, they just got spoofed. That is not good for us. Damn, bro. Just when we finally get some continuation. Bro, the one trade we actually created a new low, and it spoofs the orders that were holding us. Wow, okay. Now the longs are going to play out. I'm out. Yeah, now that these got spoofed, now the longs are going to play out. But again, I'm not willing to trade this right now. If it rejects, the shorts are still good, though. Yeah, I mean, I'm not liking that too much. If it closes with rejection, maybe, but not the biggest fan of this price action right now. Once we get above the VWAP, maybe there's a trade. But right now, it is not looking nice. Where's the fertilizer truck? Oh, it's all the way over there. Okay, so sellers came back in at 2,400. Interesting to see. Again, it could reject it lower, but if the buyers just absorb that, then it's GG's for the sellers, you know? So I'm going to wait for the reaction at this level and then see what I can... If we start trading above here, longs if we don't, shorts if we go back in here. I do think we are due for some longs soon, though, just because of how it's rejecting at this area. Right, if we look at the 15-minute as well, just go down, accumulate, manipulate, reject, go higher. 1 hour, kind of same thing. Drop into the fair value gap to go higher. So let's wait and see how this 5-minute candle closes. Let's see what happens over at the 410s. Because again, I do believe we're probably due for some longs before some shorts. Especially how these sellers are not really pushing price. That's what's kind of calling my attention. What I'm willing to do is trade this 5-minute candle and just put the stop at the low of the range and just send it. Which is kind of what I'm going to do now, if it closes bullish like that. If it closes, not the biggest. Okay, holy shit. If we do break above this level, that's longs all day. Yep, I'm long. Stop at the bottom of the range, and then shooting for the moon. Bro, the market starts moving the moment I get in, it just stops moving. It's like, nah. You're done for, kid. Put in a bottom wick. Again, once we can start getting above the VWAP and above these levels, we should get the cleaner run I wanted to see. Again, targeting 500. I'll take a partial at 450 if we get there. There we go. Give me that pop. I'm liking how we're slowly creating highs. That's good. I want to get to a no volume zone, but that's all the way up here, up to 445. So it's going to be a bit before we get to a quick price action area. Hey, we're trying to trade, bro. Shut up. Okay, some more orders over here. If we can absorb and break through, that should kind of be like our takeoff area, right? This 430 level, which is now getting lit up like crazy. It's getting lit up like a Tonka truck. There we go. So orders getting removed. That's good. If we can hold and break above, we're flying to the TP, 100%. Let's see how this 5 closes. If it closes with a big wick, I'm not interested. So I don't want to see a rally soon. Unless it wants to stop me out, you can always do that, you know. Damn, this is aggressive, though. Again, I do think we could rebound, but if we do close bearish, I'm out on the 5. What just happened, bro? What? NQ, what did you just do, bro? Dude, we just got shitted on. We just got absolutely shitted on. So we were in a trade, and out of nowhere, Moody's dropped a news release about U.S. expectations, and the market went to bed 50 points in like 4 seconds, dude. I had not seen that happen. So yeah, second red day in a row. It happens. Again, the most I've had before is like 5 red days in a row. So it could go a week in red. But again, all it takes is one winning day. So yeah, down $600 per account across 10. Damn, that's a negative 6K day. Bro, we're gonna have to eat off the street today. Yeah. We can't afford another barbecue rib.
You sure we're gonna eat?
But you know, guys, it happens again, red day. Not mad, whatever, just, it sucks, yeah, but nothing you can do about it, bro. Again, if you're long-term profitable, a single red day doesn't really affect you, shouldn't affect you. Just because, again, long-term, you're gonna have a lot of red days and a lot of red streaks. Just learn to be okay with it. Move on, and then just fucking Hakuna Matata your ass through life. Okay, so as you guys might have seen the past 2 days, price action has been ranging and then moving around. So I'm changing it up a bit, right? I'm gonna be trading from the personal account from the rest of the week, give the prop firms a break, and I might be trading a bit after the regular stream hours, right? Maybe power hour here and there, maybe the 10 to 11 a.m. move. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, no, I'm not gonna trade only the open on prop firms this week. It has not been the best. We're moving to the personal account. Of course, we're gonna show broker login, statement, whatever proof it is that is needed nowadays to make people happy. But yeah, let's see how that goes. 5K account. Can we flip it to 20K? Yeah, we just landed in Albuquerque, and we don't know what there is to do here aside from bringing the Breaking Bad edition. I mean, Mexican roots. Maybe we can start a business if trading doesn't go right. We've had 2 red days in a row. So if we don't do something tomorrow trading here, I might have to ask Walter White for some professional business tips. And yeah, let's go explore the desert today, see if we can find a snake. Give away a snake on the next stream would be interesting to do that. Oh damn, film this, bro. Bro, this hotel is nice. It's about to walk into Star Wars. 233. Damn, we're not getting penthouse? 5th floor penthouse goes crazy, bro. That's how you know you made it, when you get a 5th floor penthouse. That hotel is nice though, so let's see. Made in Minecraft. Moment of truth. Fuck! I got fucking oh my. Did you for real? I got electrocuted, yeah, bro. The ops are on me. Oh, that's your bed. They said, dude, they just left a second bed there, like it's. Yeah, damn. Nah, the view from here to there is actually lit, bro. Oh, so we got a nice view of the Walter White National Mountains. So, guys, today's goal is going to be to start a business inspired by Breaking Bad. We're about to start a new business with Walter White. This is our first business meeting. We're gonna draw a business. Oh wait, this is a restaurant. Hi, do you guys have a menu we can check? Over here we have a menu. In the menu, usually that's where you see the food you're gonna order. And if you know what to order, bro, then you're a profitable trader. Dude, most people don't know what to order. Like when I go out with Fernanda, I gotta pay for it, bro. But yeah, today, I mean, just having lunch, probably drinks, margarita or 2 with this nice view. And then tomorrow, we're gonna be trading from a similar location around here with the mountains in the back, but we're gonna be doing 2 crazy challenges with giveaways involved and just one last giveaway to wrap up this video. If you guys, what's a good giveaway? Okay, the markets were weird today. If you guys can tell me about the trade you took today and how it went, the top 3 people that give the best trade details, 2 accounts per person. I'm feeling generous today, bro. I didn't do a giveaway earlier, so we gotta do that. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow, about to have an insane trading day. Why? Because after 2 days red in a row, the next one has to be green. That's according to the constellation. So let's run it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on. The vlogs are only gonna keep getting better.